How would Hassan apologize for his absence in the class? Class? Answer. Hassan was rarely present in the narrator's class. He used to come if there was a class test or during examination. The narrator met him often for attendance shortage meetings. He would beg for attendance in a pitiful manner, so it was difficult for the narrator to say no. Sometimes the narrator felt upset. Then she told him that she could not give him attendance. She told him that there should be discipline. He would beg to be excused. Then he told her that she had taught them a good lesson in that respect. She had told them that human beings make mistakes. He who pardons them acts like God. So he was pardoned. Question 2. Describe in your own words the narrator's meeting with Hassan's parents. Hassan meeting. Answer. The narrator got tired of Hassan's absence from her class or late coming, so she called his parents. She told them that their son was bright but he should be disciplined. If he came to the class regularly and attended the lab, he would get a position. Hassan's father did not take the narrator's words very seriously. He told the narrator that children did not listen to their parents. They learn from life. Hassan's mother told the narrator that Hassan did not listen to her. He spent all night listening to music and chatting with friends. He slept at 6 in the morning, so he could not go to class. Long answer type questions. Question 1. Draw a brief character sketch of Hassan. Answer. Hassan was a student of Master in Computer Applications at a Bangalore college. He was tall, handsome, with very good memory. He came to college irregularly. He was always short of attendance. He was not a serious student. He prepared some important questions and stood first in his class. He was warned by his teacher and parents to be punctual and regular in college, but he did not bother. He had a poor opinion of his class fellows who worked hard. His class fellows got good jobs after passing out. They became famous and rich. But Hassan was lazy as usual. He got a job at 1 or 2 places. He was sacked from the jobs for his lazy habits and irregularity. His father told him to live separately. He became a salesman of computer software. One day he met the narrator. She was shocked to see him doing a small job.
Question 2. What is the theme of the chapter, Hassan's attendance problem? Hassan's attendance problem की कथा वस्तु क्या है? Answer. Hassan's attendance problem is based on the theme that students must attend their classes regularly and complete their courses and gain knowledge. They can make their careers by being regular and hardworking. If they are irregular, they fail to gain knowledge. This was the case with Hassan, who was a computer application student at a Bangalore college. He used to remain absent from his class on most days. He was lazy and used to be late for college. He had attendance problem. He used to prepare some important questions and stand first in his class, but he had no knowledge. His hard-working class fellows rose in life. They became rich and famous. Hassan was disliked by his parents. His employers did not like his laziness and irresponsible behavior. He became a salesman of computer software. He met his class teacher long after finishing his course. 3. Draw a character sketch of the narrator. वर्णनकर्ता का चरित्र चित्रण करो. Answer. Mrs. Sudha Murthy is the narrator of the lesson. She is a computer science teacher at a Bangalore college. As a teacher, she was very kind-hearted. Hassan used to be late for class. He was often absent. He used to run short of attendance. PSEB 12th Class English Solutions Chapter 1 Hassan's attendance problem. He could have been detained for the final exam for shortage of attendance. But the narrator did not like to do this. She asked Hassan to be regular and responsible. The narrator was very popular among her students. She looked upon her students as her children. They often invited her to their family functions. One day Hassan came to see her as he had become a salesman of computer software. She pitied him as his class fellows had risen in life. They had become rich and famous. Hassan told her that he was responsible for his bad luck. She told him not to feel disappointed. She assured him that he had the potential to improve. He should change his old habits. He should remember that the battle may be lost but the war could be won. Objective type questions. This question will consist of 3 objective type questions carrying 1 mark each. These objective questions will include questions to be answered in 1 word to 1 sentence or fill in the blank or true, false or multiple choice type question. Question 1. What was the narrator's occupation, profession? Answer. The narrator was a computer science teacher at a college. Question 2. Why was Hassan not noticed by the teacher in the class? Answer. The teacher did not notice Hassan because he was rarely present. Question 3. Why would the narrator render attendance to Hassan every time? Answer. He would beg for attendance in a pitiful manner and the narrator could not say no. Question 4. Why were Hassan's parents called to school? Answer. They were called to be told about the irregular attendance and indisciplined ways of Hassan. Question 5. During which days would Hassan often show up in the class? Answer. Hassan would show up during class test days or during examinations. Question 6. What was Hassan's mother's plea to his father? Answer. Hassan's mother told his father that he should talk to him firmly. Question 7. Why did the parent-teacher meeting end fruitlessly? Answer. The meeting ended fruitlessly because they could not decide how to correct Hassan. Question 8. Describe the physical appearance of Hassan when he met his teacher after several years. Answer. Hassan was a man of 35 years, fat, with a bald head and not smartly dressed. Question 9. What had the narrator expected Hassan to become in his life? Answer. The narrator had expected that Hassan would do well in life as he was bright in his class. Question 10. How did Hassan study when he was in his college? Answer. He did not come to college regularly but stood first in his class exam by preparing some important questions. Question 11. According to Hassan, who were nerds? Answer. Hard workers were nerds. Question 12. Why did Hassan start living separately? Answer. His father told him to do so because of his quarrelsome nature. Question 13. What made Hassan feel optimistic when he left the narrator's office? Answer. He felt so when his teacher told him that he had the ability to lead a better life by hard work. Question 14. How old was Hassan when he met the narrator as a software salesman? Answer. 35.